So here we have the basic functioning prototype for the control panel. As you can see, we still have some alignment issues, but those should be easy enough to fix. Just a little bit of polish. This control panel is part of a two-player system. One player sits behind this as the operator, and the other player has a virtual reality headset on and pilots the robot influenced by this panel from first person in virtual space. And while the virtual pilot can operate the robot and make it move, make it shoot, and do whatever it wants inside virtual space, the operator has complete influence over the robot's functionalities. So I'll just run you through it. Over here we have the temperature and fuel meters, which should get a dial operating. That indicate the, I don't really know the word, I think it's longevity, the operation time for the robot, which can get interesting for mission-based gameplay. We have the basic on and off switches for the primary functionality of the robot. The operator can fill in the pilot. The operator can fill in the pilot where the positions are for the next objective via the radar that should be positioned here. And here we have the sliders that dictate the energy outputs of certain systems. For example, the top one is the full capacity that the engine can deliver. And here we have the power for the shields, the power for the radar, the power for the weapons, and maybe something like the power for the repair systems. As you can see, I can nudge them up to 200%, which should overload the engines if I turn it all up. But I didn't program the graphics in yet, so the engine's full capacity is delivered when everything is running at 100%. And that should keep the robot in the safe range without overloading the temperature and decreasing the fuel too much. But of course I could also lower these bits and alter these ones to get a bit more output. So in this case I'd have a very strong radar indicating with great detail where the objectives would be. Down here we have the weapon systems, so the two primary weapons and the two secondary weapons that the user can keep with it. A reload button in case these ones hit 0. Well, rocket fists are a one-time use. And a switch for switching between primary and secondary weapons, because the user in the pilot seat basically the only control he has is over where to aim and when to shoot. Not really an overview of what he's using. That's all the operator's job. On this side we have the repair systems. So in this case I could select the data for the torso. It should output it and tell me how badly damaged it is, in which case I can repair it, which should slow down the mech by a significant bit and should put extra strain on the engine for it to repair the torso while moving. And here we have Morris. He's a kind of the Microsoft Office paperclip. He fills you in with the things happening on the virtual side of things and can basically point out the difference between the damage status, or when ammo needs to be refilled, when your bars are getting critical, when you're overloading your engine. So he helps you with stuff like that. And Morris is an abbreviation for the Morgan Onboard Response Intelligence System. And that's that. Anyway, this is what I have for now, and I'll fill you guys in later when I make some more progress. Thanks for watching.